Hey, what's going on guys, it's Geek Out Everything and today we are back in another video. And guys, in this video we'll be going to do the unboxing and the review of these Bolt Loop earphones. And guys, as you can see, these are the actually kind of a budget earphones that comes under rupees 500. And yeah, so in this video we're gonna look at how they are and should you buy them or not. So yep, this is the box itself. As you can see, we have a Bolt Loop written on the front, and at the back we have a MRP price, which is 11.99, but guys, you can get it from Amazon for rupees 3.99 or something. So yeah, that's nice. And now let's just, without further ado, let's just jump right into it and see what is hidden under the hood. So I think there's not much stuff inside the box. We have extra ear tips and a little clip or whatever that is, and we'll get two extra pair of ear tips. I've used one of them, so that's why there are only two in the pouch. So guys, as you can see, these are the earphones, and what is unique about these earphones that they have a really kind of weird design. As you can see, there's a wire it's weird design, as you can see. But guys, if I just talk about the looks of these earphones, then I have to say in terms of the looks, they are actually really good. And guys, for your information, I'm using these earphones since 1 week. So I'm going to just give you my impressions and what are the things I liked about this and what are the things I do not like about these earphones. So guys, as you can see, this is the design, which is kind of weird, but this is something new. So yeah, we'll talk about the comfortability later. And guys, as you can see, in terms of build quality, it's good, but it's not the, like, build quality is good for the price, honestly. As you can see, the top is actually made up of metal, but the entire body is plastic, but it's not a huge deal. And one of the good thing about these earphones, guys, is that we'll get a 3.5mm headphone plug, which is gold plated. And at this price point, the gold plated 3.5mm headphone plug is like really nice thing, because there are so few companies that does this, and I'm really glad that we are getting a gold plated one with these earphones. And in terms of the cable quality, as you can see, the cable quality is not braided, but guys, it is made up of pretty good quality rubber. And if I just compare this cable quality with the JBL C200 SI, which are almost double of the price of these earphones, then I have to say the cable quality is slightly better in these ones, which is really surprising thing. But guys, that is actually what it is. And as you can see, we have Bolt branding on this module, and we also have this little thing that you can use to cable manage your earphones, which is really good. And yeah, so these are a nice little touch. So yeah, and as you can see, we have a microphone module here. And guys, microphone quality is average. It's not the best and it's not good, but it works. Yep. And we have only one button to take or end calls, or double tap to just change the track and all that stuff. And yep, there's no separate volume down or up button, but that's not a huge deal. Guys, now let's just talk about the comfortability in these earphones. Then guys, I have to say the comfortability is good, but not the best I've seen. Yep, the design is actually pretty weird, and guys, because of that, it will take a day or two to get used to this design, because when you will first wear them, guys, they will hurt you a little because of this design. Like, the wire on the earphones will hurt you a little at first, but once you will set this up according to your ear size and wear them for around 1 or 2 days, then you will definitely get used to it, and then it will not hurt you. Yep. So guys, that's actually what it is. And I would say it's not for all. If you have a kind of a big ears, then guys, these earphones are for you. But if you have, in case if you have small ears, then guys, I would not recommend you this kind of design, because it's kind of a, guys, weird design, and I don't think so that everyone will get used to this kind of design. It is possible that you will hate this design, and it's also possible that you will love this kind of design, but I'm not sure, guys. But yep, that's actually totally upon you, but you can just give it a try, guys. It's not bad. But if you have small ears, then I would not recommend you these. And now guys, if I just talk about the sound quality, then guys I have to say the sound quality is good. uh, because if you are a bass head guys, then these earphones are best for you because they have really nice bass, and at the high volumes also the bass will not get muddy or anything like that. And in terms of vocals and the sound, like sound of instruments and all that stuff, if you're hearing a pop song, then guys the vocals are actually not that clear because of the lack of high end, because there's lots of low end in these earphones, which is good for bass. So yeah, that is actually what it is. The sound quality is good, and for vocals it's not that much good. So guys, that's it for this video now. And if you just simply like the video, then guys just hit the like button. And if you want to buy this earphone, I have the link in the description. So if you like this video, hit the like button. If you dislike, you know what to do. But if you like, then get subscribed guys, hit the subscribe button down below. I'll be really helpful if you do that. And yeah, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.